How to install Picsart on iPhone. Here's how you can get Picsart up and running on your iPhone in just few taps. First, start by opening your App Store on your device. Here at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type in Picsart. Once you type it in, hit search. Now find the Picsart official app. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the Get button. Tap on it to begin the installation. You might be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Once the download completes, tap Open and you are ready to dive into creative editing. If the Get button is not working, try logging into your Apple ID or checking your storage space. Prefer using a different editing app? Let me know in the comments below. And that's how you can install Picsart on iPhone. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.